Welcome to First Union Lending. Today we're talking about small business loans in Fort Smith, Arkansas. Fort Smith has grown substantially since its beginnings as the gateway to the West, while still retaining its small-town values. From the Belgrove Historic District to the Skyline Estates, Fort Smith is the perfect place to live and own a flourishing business. The energy, water, and land available, combined with a lower cost of living, keep Fort Smith at one of the best cost of doing business ratios in the nation. If you're a small business owner in Fort Smith, you understand the need to constantly improve, and small business loans can help with that. Let's talk about the top 4 industries in Fort Smith and how business loans can support these industries. Fort Smith is the manufacturing center for Arkansas, with more goods in this region than anywhere else in the state. With more than 30,000 residents employed in the manufacturing field, Fort Smith manufactures everything from bourbon to baby food. For this industry, equipment financing can help you purchase or upgrade equipment when needed. Healthcare is a big business in this area, accounting for more than 20,000 jobs. The region has some medical centers for heart disease, cancer treatment, computerized and magnetic imaging, and plastic surgery. For this industry, SBA 7A loans are great for general purposes. For expansion, SBA 504 loans are perfect for buying commercial real estate. Fort Smith is an excellent location for transportation companies. It is a primary gateway for northwestern Arkansas, with easy access to shipping, receiving, and manufacturing solutions. For this industry, SBA loans and equipment loans can help your business expand and develop. Fort Smith has a great retail industry and is often known as the last wagon train stop before heading west. It is a known buyer's market and hub of retail activity, attracting visitors from the entire region. Term loans are a great option if you have gaps in cash flow. Now, let's talk in more detail about the common types of small business loans available to Fort Smith. SBA loans. These loans are partly guaranteed by the Small Business Administration. They have extremely flexible rates and terms, as well as strict lending requirements. There are a few different types of SBA loans, including 7A, 504, micro and disaster loans. Business lines of credit. Like a credit card for a consumer, a merchant can pull funds from the line and deposit them in their bank account. Interest is paid only on the money withdrawn. Equipment financing. This financing option is used to purchase necessary business equipment. Your loan term will last as long as the equipment itself does. Business term loans. These loans provide a lump sum to a borrower and are differentiated by the length of their repayment. Invoice factoring. This financing option is best for business owners whose customers are other businesses. You sell your invoices at a discount to a factoring company in exchange for a lump sum of cash. These are just a few of the loan options you have to choose from. While each of the available loans have varying qualifications, lenders will typically ask for the following general information: business operations history, business revenue statements, personal and business credit scores, and collateral if needed. Now, let's discuss some of the advantages of small business loans. You can maintain day-to-day operations, purchase and upgrade equipment, renovate your existing location, or acquire a second location. Add extra staff with top talent to your team. Improve your cash flow by consolidating existing debt into a low monthly payment. How will you make your business stand out in Fort Smith? Maybe you'll introduce a new product, renovate your building, or create a new marketing strategy. Whatever the project, you'll probably need extra capital. Instead of searching for a traditional lender with a lengthy application process, choose First Union Lending to provide you with faster funding. Unlike traditional banks, we do not scrutinize you in terms of just a credit score or number of years in business. We take a big picture approach. We want to know what value you bring to the Fort Smith economy and how you plan to grow your company. We are all about creating long-term partnerships designed to enhance your business and set it up for success. So what are you waiting for? Call for a free consultation to help your business grow and become successful.